Well, today I'm out playing golf. It's kind of nice because it gives you a whole different approach to the power game. Baseball is a game about humping up on the ball. Golf is about unleashing your talent. My name is Jack Yard. Jack Yard. Are you a power hitter or do you have power in your basket? One of the beauties of being a professional power hitter is you get perks. You get to come out on a nice day like this, a golf course, and unleash the power that you have within you. Baseball is about humping up on the ball. Golf is about unleashing your power. There's no technique at all. There's a big difference between being a power hitter and being able to hit with power. You've got to decide who you are. This is who I am. You've got to decide what it is you want to achieve.
God damn it.
The echelon of greatness, the ring of perfection. That's how it's done.